Então say, you have to say rooster. Rooster. Where is the other rooster? Acha o outro. Find the other one. Achou! You found it! Give me 5. Me dá. High five. Hey! High five. Yes. Now let's find the pig. Let's find the pig. Where is the pig, Bella? Where is the pig? The other pig. You found it. High five. Bella, high five. Yes. Good. Now, put the pig here and here. Good. Now the little chicks. Let's find the little chicks. Where is the other one? Where are the other ones? Yay! Muito bem. Very good. Put it here. Here. Right here. Yes.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Say chicks.
Yes.
Chicks. É o filhinho da galinha, né? Chicks. Put in here. Now let's go find the sheep. Sheep.
Aqui.
No. Sheep. Sheep. Ah, that is the horse.
É da vaquinha.
Horse.
Aqui é da vaquinha. E do
That's the
cavalinho.
tractor.
E teco.
Tractor. And here the horse. Where is the other horse?
Aqui.
Yes, very good. Now the sheep. Find the sheep. Good.
Aqui.
Sheep.
Ah, cadê mamãe? Cadê o outro?
Where is the other one? Procura. Look for.
Cadê?
Onde está?
Eu consigo procurar.
Where is it? Quem sabe por aqui, Bela, ó. Por aqui, não tá?
Aqui, mamãe.
No.
Não tá.
Here, right here. 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 No.
Não.
Mm-mm-mm. No.
Aqui.
Something is wrong. Yes. Yes.
Não consigo marcar.
Yes. Here, 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 here. The tractor goes here. The wheels on the tractor goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the tractor goes round and round. All through the farm. Turn around.
Mãe, aqui
Yes.
é ovelha gal.
É ovelha. Diz ovelha sheep.
Ovelha.
Ovelha sheep. And now the cow.
Aqui,
The cow. Cow says moo. Cow says moo. Turn around. Every animal make a sound. Cow says moo. Don't give me 5. High five. Yes. Good girl.